Hi friends, today we are going to see how to integrate Stripe payment gateway with Django latest version. So let's start coding. So I'm open terminal. So I'm going to my working directory for my own. So Django script as here I'm using Pippin as my package manager. So I already have a virtual environment. I'm just activating that environment. So here we're going to create a new project called start project called Stripe demo. Sorry, start. So it's created. So initially we have to migrate, else it show the warning like please migrate, warning will show. So I just put a migrate to my server. So you can see it's running fine. So let's start to do the configurations. Yeah, I just open the code with Visual Studio. Django. So Stripe demo. So this is called Stripe demo. Words and everything is fine. So here we're going to create a new app called home. Start app home. So Python so we can do the configuration here. So first we are going to install our app for this home config generator. So here we have to mention our template directory. So I just copy this one. So once we put this one, template will take from the root folder. So we go do this one. Then we have to put two parameters: Stripe public key. Private key. So this both key we needed for integrating payment gateway. So these two keys we can get it from the Stripe dashboard. So I have already an account. So you can see these two other credentials. Once we created the account, they will provide. So these are the sandbox account. So once our demo integration completed, we can shift it to the production mode. So I'm just copying the public key, the secret key. So it's done. Okay, so we are almost done our settings configuration. So let's move to the URLs. So we have to let's see here. Once because I need set up virtual environment here. Sorry. Click. It's also activated here. So we won't get any integration here. Okay. So group. So path. Including URLs, home URLs here, URLs. So we don't set any URLs like in the home application. So we have to create a new file called URLs.py. So from Django to URLs import path. So URL pattern path. For the demo purpose, I just creating a default view name as a home name secret to home. So you have to create that in the views.py. We didn't create it now, so we're going to create a new function called the home request return and then request comma the template name called home.html and say any parameters. If you need to pass means you can put it the curly braces here. So everything, if you done our things, just create a new folder called templates. So create templates. So inside that we have to create a 3 HTML file base.html, home.html, and css.html. So I created 3 HTML file. Base.html will contain all the basic tags and all. Home.html is the default HTML. Once we load the application, this home.html will come first. So success HTML is once the transaction goes success or failure, it will show the status for the transaction. So I already created the template in a separate file, so I just copy from there. So you can see here. So this is my base.html. You can see here there is nothing much important, just a small HTML file. So this is our home.html file. So here you can see I'm extending base.html. So there is a form. So it contains the script name called checkout.js. So here we are using a simple quick checkout form. So okay, you can customize your checkout form with any format. You can find it a lot of customization form in Stripe development and documentation. So here the data key, we have to pass our public key here. So you can see here data if an amount. So 500 means 500 cents. So that means if you want to add a $5, we have to multiply with 100. So then only it will comes like this. So that amount, if you put 500 means it will consider as a $5. So like that. Suppose you have to pay 100 means you have to multiply with 100. So it will become 10,000. So directly the Stripe payment will consider $100. So like that. So every amount is considered as a cent. So we done all the things here. So I just added small images here. So you have to pass data key from here. So I go to the views.py. So I just pass key as parameter from Django.com settings. So global settings, import Stripe. So no, I'm not getting anything. So I just go here, copy this one. This one. So okay, I small error. Okay, one mistake here. So let's try PUB. Stripe files. So I have to pass Stripe public key. So I just pass this one. So then we have to do success to HTML. Go here, copy this one. And it's a simple thing. Thank you paid the amount. You can pass it from the server. I just default I just put it there. For the demo purpose I just put $5 as my default amount. So you can I just passing key here. So you can pass amount, you can pass any additional variable, means you can pass it from the your views. So you can see home location, you can see the data amount here. So you can pass it the amount from the backend. So for the demo purpose I just put $5 here. Okay. So we just done all the changes. Let's see. Okay, we have to. Okay. I can see it's working or not. Just reloading. So it's showing like this. So once we click on the play with card button, it will show the pop-up. So it's a default checkout form from this Stripe. So you can customize this form with some CSS and form methods and all, so that you can find it from the checkout reference. Here you can find out how to customize our payment forms and all. So here I'm just using a simple quick checkout form. So I already have an account, so that's the reason it's showing like this. else you can pass any any value. Okay. So you can see I already have a demo account here, that's the reason it's showing like this. Else you can pass any variable like test at gmail.com. So it's already an after this one, so you don't need to put there. I just put here 42 42 42 42 42 42 42. So account given this one 21 1 2 3. So it's created. You can see how sorry I forgot to add the post here. So you have to go to URL.py. I just copying this the same URL from above, copy from here. Check out. Check out. Check out. Okay, I'm just importing the checkout from the views. So we're going to here. Here, creating checkout, or post, and here you have to check it whether it's coming or not. Print request dot post. So I just debugging whether it's coming or not. Okay, fine. Form.html here, yeah. The form option I mentioned here. Yeah. Okay, let's see, let's try again. Let's try again. So, go to 1 2 3. Okay, so I got a response from the check Stripe. You can see. So once we enter all the card details, Stripe will create a Stripe token. You can see here. The parameter is Stripe token, return token. So we require this token to charge the amount to Stripe. So we have to get the Stripe token from the git request.post. Then we have to pass this value with the amount to the Stripe. So let's see how to do that. So before that, going to view, before that we have to import Stripe. Stripe I already installed, so that's the reason I just importing. Else you can use pip and install Stripe. So it's the package is developed by Stripe, so you can trust the packages. So there is no drawback or there is no bug with it. So Stripe API key is equal to the public key for the sorry, not a private key for the Stripe. So I just imported. So here you can see I'm getting all the values. So I just remove that one. I have already done some coding here. Just coding that one. So I just created here. So you can see here. Okay. So first you have to create a customer with a Stripe. So we have to use stripe.customer.create with the email and the Stripe token from the request. Okay. So we have to pass email and source as our Stripe token. So you can get our email from the request. So I'm adding that also here. Request dot post of Stripe email. So what we'll do is it will create a customer. So again, suppose the user make another transaction means the Stripe will only create a new customer. It will create a customer here, but in the dashboard you can see the customer existing, customer one transaction, many one customer and many transactions. So there is no customer duplication in the dashboard. Let's try. The amount I'm putting as a amount will put as a 500. So that means $5. This is AUD. Donation. Return. For the status. Return. You can import from Django dot http dot import there's a response here. There's a response is there. So I'm just building char. There's a response. Import. Yes, sir. Charge. I just dump the response using JSON response. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so campaign card. Validate port 2. So the default card then leaving for the demo purpose. Let's see what will happen. Okay. So once we make the transaction, we will get the complete response from the Stripe. So you can see here the amount 500, that means $5. So the currency is Australian dollar. The transaction ID is this one. The customer ID is this one. Then the payment details will be here. So network status is approved by framework, and the receipt mail is njslive.com. So once you make a production, you will get a invoice for this. So this is a sample invoice they're giving for us for the demo purpose. So if you want to refund something, you can use this URL. So this is a response from the Stripe. So you can use this response uh, for future purpose. Like you can store the this ID for the customer transaction as a transaction ID, and this as a balance transaction ID. So you can store the customer details also. So easily you can find it from the dashboard. So you can see today $5 starting from there. So you can see the timing and everything here. So once you click on the payment, so see. I could see this one. Payment ID. Oh, I think yes. So this is a transaction rate, you can see from here. So everything is working fine. So you can go and check with your see the IDs here. So the same ID is in here. So the transaction ID is this one, and the transaction amount is going successfully. So you can see description, donation, and all the other details will be stored here. The card 4-digit number you can store here. This all response you will get from the this one also. Stripe also last 4-digit credit card. I'm using credit card. So everything is fine. Customer ID this one, the country US and visa, the card details also. You can get it from the Stripe. Okay. So I'm just removing this one. So return render propose success HTML. Okay. Alright, see what will happen. Maybe I'm making another transaction. Play the card. So bring it as so this one. I'm not using anything. Go to 21, 23. Yeah, see, I just redirect to the success page. So you can get all the information here. So you can store these values in your database. So thank you friend. We done our integration. Thank you.